Welcome to lesson 39, rational numbers on a number line. Lesson 39 of numbers and operations. Okay, here's our objective. Here's our vocabulary. We've seen these before. Okay, so now we're going to look at a number line and we're going to place rational numbers on a number line. And this right here we haven't gotten to. It's the square root symbol. I'll explain that in a little bit. I don't think you'll see that today because all we talked about is rational numbers. So the square root of 49 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. We'll talk about that when we get there. Okay, so we want to put these things on a number line. So it's a good thing that all of these are decimals. So we got 0.5, negative 1.75, and negative 2.25. So if we have a number line, 0.5 is halfway between 0 and 1. This is 0.5. Negative 1.75 is in between negative 1 and negative 2 and is actually closer to negative 2. That's negative 1.75. And negative 2.25 is in between 2 and 3, but it's actually closer to 2. So you have negative 2.25 right there, right there, and right there. And you can see as negative numbers get larger, they get further to the left of 0, which means they have less value. So think about it like this. You would rather owe somebody $1.75 as opposed to $2.25. Okay, here's example 2. Negative 4.25, 2 4/5, 7 over negative 13, and the absolute value of 1 1/3. So we've seen absolute value in the first 10 lessons, I believe. So the absolute value is a distance, so it's always positive. So that's going to be 1 1/3. I'm just going to rewrite that one. And let's see what it looks like on the next slide. Negative 4.25 is greater than 4, so it's to the left. Negative 4.25, it's right there. 2 4/5. 4/5 is close to 5/5, so I'll say that that one is closer to 3. 2 4/5. Negative 7 over 13. 7 is smaller than 13. It's close to 14. 13 is close to 14, which means it is about halfway between negative 1 and 0. And then 1 1/3 is bigger than 1. 1 1/3 absolute value. And there you go. That's how we place these numbers on a number line. Okay, there are no more examples. Work on the practice problems, and I'll see you at the end of the video to recap this lesson. Okay, I hope you had no trouble in doing this. So you get 1/2 here, -3/4 there, and 1 3/4 is almost 2, -1 3/4. And problem 2, the absolute value of -1.3, 0.3 is a little bit bigger than 1, so 1.3. The absolute value gives you a positive number, so the value is 1.3. So you're going to have to convert these. The absolute value of -9 is 9, but there's a negative on the outside, so we have -9. And then the absolute value of 1 1/5 is, let me do this in a different color. So 0.3, so this is where we need our things, our equivalent rational numbers. So that is 0.2. Yep. So 1.2 is less than 1.3. So it's actually to the left. It's bigger than 1, but it's less than 1.3. So sometimes when you see fractions in these problems, you're going to have to convert them to decimals so that you can compare them. That's the end of this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos that are coming. Thank you for watching my channel.